Hello Puppet fans! And welcome to this lecture. In this section we will install the Puppet Enterprise through graphical mode. In previous section we have created a EC2 instance, and in this lab we will install the Puppet Enterprise packages. As we have already covered the text-based installation in our lab setup section, so this time we will do only the graphical installation. For graphical installation, download the installer and untar it. Next, go to installer location and start the installation. Now this time select option 2 for graphic mode installation and proceed for the installation. For graphical installation you will be asked to open link https:// your Puppet Master server IP or hostname :3000. So open the link and fill out the installation details like Puppet Master DNS alias, I will set it as puppetmaster.devops.com, and console admin password as puppet123. Now click on Next and continue to start the installation. You can wait for the installation to complete or can skip this lecture now. You can click on Summary View to view the installation logs. Alright, so the installation has been successfully completed through graphical mode installation. Okay, so in this section we have installed the Puppet Enterprise through graphical mode. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have time, feel free to move on to next lecture.